Today we'll be traveling north from Boise along Highway 55 to the town of Cascade. Our 75-mile drive to Cascade takes approximately 2 hours, first traveling along grassy slopes and then through a scenic river canyon. At the north end of Cascade, we'll take Highway 22 a little over 20 miles northeast to Warm Lake and visit campgrounds that surround the crystal clear waters of Warm Lake. Just about a mile from Warm Lake, we make a right turn off of Highway 22 and arrive at the South Fork Salmon River Campground. With 14 sites, this campground is not part of the reservation system. This means all the campsites are on a first-come, first-served basis. Each campsite is provided with tables, fire rings, grills, and vault toilets. There is no water available after October 1st. As its name suggests, the campground is situated along the South Fork of the Salmon River, host to Chinook salmon in the fall. Although massive wildfires in 2007 left many standing dead trees, there are seedlings, birds, butterflies, and plenty of wildflowers to enjoy. Arriving at Warm Lake, our next stop is Shoreline Campground. At an elevation of 5,300 feet and offering 23 single campsites and 8 double sites for up to 10 people each, Shoreline is a paradise to those who appreciate paved parking spurs and areas large enough to easily accommodate a 35-foot trailer. The campground is situated in a mixed growth of lodgepole pine forest with partial shade. Visitors enjoy boating, fishing, swimming, and viewing wildlife. There are great hiking, mountain biking, horseback, and off-road vehicle riding opportunities. Shoreline features an accessible group site, complete with a picnic shelter, which can easily accommodate 50 people.
This particular site is fabulous because of the paving and the nice bathrooms, and everybody's close together, but not so close that we're on each other's heels. And we've had a wonderful time here with the trees and the weather and not much mosquitoes.
Reservations for the individual and group sites can be made at www.recreation.gov. All sites have tables, campfire rings, grills, vaulted toilets, and available drinking water. A boat ramp accesses the lake, and the nearby Billy Rice Swim Beach is a favorite stop for a swim and picnic. Continuing along the lake, we stop at the privately owned North Shore Lodge. The lodge features comfortable cabins with kitchens and a beautiful view of the lake. The lodge also includes a cafe, grocery store, and bar with a great breakfast, lunch, and dinner served daily. Recreation activities abound in this area. The lodge offers boat rentals and fishing supplies, picnic areas, horseback riding, and a sandy beach for swimming. Within walking distance from North Shore Lodge, our next stop is Picnic Point Campground, an 8-site campground on a bluff overlooking the lake. This campground offers tent-only campsites and is accessed via a 50 to 200-foot hike from the parking area. Large ponderosa pines provide shade, and there is no shortage of fishing, hiking, and boating fun.
Being from the Treasure Valley, it's really close, and you still feel like you're quite a ways away from home. You can get away from it, and it just kind of gives you a great attitude change. So it's all about making memories.
Staircases lead down to the water at 3 different locations in the campground. The Billy Rice Swimming Beach is within walking distance and is a great place for a swim and picnic. Campsites all have tables, fire rings, grills, available drinking water, and vaulted toilets. The campground is available with a reservation through www.recreation.gov. Traveling southeast along the lake, we quickly arrive at Warm Lake Campground. It's a cozy small campground shaded by large ponderosa pines. It hosts 12 campsites available by reservation at www.recreation.gov. There is an area designated for tents only. The campground is across the road from the privately owned Warm Lake Lodge. Next, we travel west, back along the 579 road toward Cascade, and turn south on the 474 road. very close to the South Fork of the Salmon River Campground, and follow the 474 road about 6 miles to our last stop, the Stoney Meadows Cabin. The historic and rustic Stoney Meadows Cabin is a single-room dwelling, and it's been restored to near original condition. It is located in a beautiful meadow near a variety of recreational activities. The cabin is available year-round with a reservation from www.recreation.gov. In winter, visitors ski and snowmobile the 6.5 miles to the cabin, and in the summer months, Warm Lake is less than 5 miles, with plenty of boating, fishing, and swimming. The cabin contains 4 single beds with foam pads, a table and chairs, dry sink, wood stove, and firewood, propane cooking stove with fuel, pots and pans, dishes, and tableware. There is no electricity available at the cabin. There's an outhouse with vault toilet and picnic table located outside. Drinking water is available year-round from a hand pump outside the cabin. Pets are allowed at the cabin, and guests are asked to bring their own additional gear and supplies, including bedding and extra lighting. There's a hot spring just a stone's throw from the cabin. In the fall, the nearby salmon viewing area provides opportunities to view the amazing fish from the interpretive boardwalk. We remind visitors to the Boise National Forest that reservations can be made at www.recreation.gov or by calling 1-877-444-6777. Further information is also available by calling the Forest Service at area code 208-373-4007.